Okay, so here's the problem. You can see all this moisture. This laundry detergent just gathered up moisture, turned into a brick. So this is worthless. We got to throw it away. This guy, though, they give you different stickers you put on. So I put the laundry powder sticker on there. Opens up. They give you a little scooper. Nice. There's a little seal around the edge here. Kind of hard to see, but there's a little rubber seal. And another one here. So this is going to be hopefully more moisture tight. Closes easy, opens easy. Get your little scoop. I mean, just look at it though. This versus this. Oh, that's nice. All right. That works nice. I like that it's kind of short and squatty. So we'll throw out what's left of that. And this should stay much fresher because it's sealed.